Hi, welcome back to MakeOnlineMoney.com, and this is your host, Billy. Today, we're looking to how to make money with Canva. As we already know, Canva has become extremely popular nowadays, head-to-head straight up with Adobe. You no longer need to know how to use Photoshops, even though that is a term that everybody knows. Now, you can basically go to online and just go to Canva.com and start whipping out crazy designs. So Canva has slowly become a go-to design platform for social media posts, banners, and graphics. Due to its free access to templates, stock photos, videos, and graphics, anyone can start making stunning pieces of work with little skills or no skills in graphic designs. Such a great platform, but it can also be used as a great way to earn extra income as a freelancer or designers. So in this little video, I can show you 5 quick ways that you can earn money online with Canva. The first way is becoming a contributor on Canva. If you're a graphic designer who want to earn money and get more recognition, Canva might be the perfect platform for you. Becoming a contributor of Canva is a great way to increase your visibility and bring in more business and helping Canva to scale its media and elements in libraries. While Canva is being used by more than 65 million people in 179 countries, it gives your works a whole nother market. You can simply upload your work and start earning every time user use your item when they design in Canva. Making money with Canva. Number 2, sells your Canva templates. Canva is perfect platform to create quality graphics for different kinds of business and individuals, such as social media graphics, logos, banners, ebooks, infographics, presentation, resumes, flyer, poster, business cards, and so many more. If you can design any templates in any of these categories above that makes people use your template, you can start earning money with Canva in Canva Creator Marketplace. Number 3, sells your design service. You love to design your graphics on social media, presentation, ebooks, or anything else that you're passionate about. If you are well experienced in graphic designing, there's a huge demand in digital marketing sector. First, you must know the skills level to design experience. Second, find what you can do and set your pricing according to the business and problem your prospective client is facing. Third, create your gigs and sell your Canva design service online in marketplaces like Fiverr and Upwork. Make money with Canva. Ideas number 4, sell t-shirt designs. Canva is one of the most popular sites for designing custom t-shirts. As a t-shirt designer, you can create designs what people find cool and want to buy. You do this by knowing what appeals to the public taste. The best part is that Canva offers the ability to design t-shirt, and your clients also can order the personalized t-shirt with a few clicks. And Canva will deliver them right to your client's doorsteps for free. You can also try easy e-commerce website builder like Shopify to make a website on your own and sell your t-shirt designs effortlessly. However, it requires a talented level design skills to take that design and make money off of it. How to make money with Canva. Number 5, teach Canva on your blogs and YouTube. One of the ways you can get your business to grow is by teaching others how to do things. And that's what I do for my business, and it's helped me a lot. At the end, your goal is always try to inspire people and show them what they can make something beautiful, regardless of whether they're at the beginning level or at the advanced level. You can simply start a blog and share your ideas and how to about Canvas with your audience. When YouTube provides you with great opportunities, you can start make how-to videos about Canvas and place on YouTube and earn money from AdSense. Moreover, you can also place affiliate links on your video description and make more money that way. So wrapping everything up, Canva has been a game changer for me and for a lot of the people here. Our YouTube channels has benefit from Canva as well. The logo we made is from Canva. Canva has made everything easy for me and for my team. Or perhaps you heard of freelancing and want to join in to fun, or maybe you're just looking for an alternative way to make more money as a side hustle to your current job. Whichever side you're facing as a designer who want to make more money from your creativity, Canva might just be your savior.